Hello? Yeah? Yup. Let's go.
Let's take it back a little. So, me and my friends here went out to have some fun. Let's see what happened.
Do you remember whispering I'm falling hard? We were drinking whiskey at your father's house. Took me by the hand and then we kissed for hours. Those are the good days. Those were the good days. Do you remember life? It took you far from here. And I could see you crying even when you held back tears. Leaving me behind was everything you feared. I said remember the good days. What I'm trying to say is hey, you would let go of the wheel. Like someone got the brakes loose. Let's get lost for real. I know your love will find a way to you. But would you trust me if it took a leap of faith to make you through?